When it's this good enough, say no. I want you so willing to go through the fire, through the living, through the wall, for a chance to be with you and let everything up. Through the fire, through whatever someone may, forever. Kaya, I take it all away, right down to the wire, even through the fire. Thank you! Thank you! Si Jayo pala nandito. Akalain mo si Jayo,
Tamang-tama kayo ay may show.
Oo.
Kailan ba everybody para mapanood din namin yung mga ginagawang pag-immersion nila ng wrestling.
Oo nga, sa Zirco Green Hills, April 3. Falls on a Friday.
And on Saturday, April 4, sa Clowns, Quezon Avenue. Ayan, it's a show entitled Her Sonata. Ayan, so,
We will be impersonating yung mga
relevant people sa showbiz, sa politics,
Most talk about-
Sino? Impersonate nyo.
I'll be doing Michelle Obama, of course.
Jambi Marangal.
Gloria Araico.
Aling Denisha.
Jessica Zorro. Tapos sobrang pinaganda namin to kasi tawag dito, yung script ko as in fresco, yung material. So,
Fresco?
walang kantahan, walang sayaw.
Wala. Skit talaga siya.
I want to I love it.
Directed by
Mr. Philip Lazo.
Yeah.
3-0 April 4, Clown.
Alright, ang combination ng kantahan at katatawanan ay talaga